Look at the screen in front of you. That's the Prime Minister of St. Vincent. And you hear the song where Isaiah sing about him. I am gonna talk a little bit about this Prime Minister and what he was accused of by a couple different women. Very interesting. Let's go.
We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. This a fi all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a lunchtime. I go so hard on the lane and the main.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, you know me can't dare St. Vincent. I'm gonna play my artist. So, here is my artist, the great Zion I.
Oh, you think I joking? Feel like come to play. Even though it's jail or cemetery, I ain't really gay. Raypaman Ralph. You and handicap Julian, all you mash up the land. Raypaman Ralph. You and that thief man Julian, all you mash up the land. Oh, Raypaman, you Raypaman. You and criminal Julian, all you mash up the land.
Look at the screen in front of you. What does it say? St. Vincent Prime Minister accused of sexual assault for the second time this year. Now, all of this happened in 2008, and everybody in the country and outside of the country knows that the case them with this guy, it just kind of dissolved. And I'm gonna show you guys something, because I just want to talk about this. Now look at the screen in front of you. It says that the police woman said that she was offered $185,000 to drop the rape charge against St. Vincent Prime Minister. And this came from WikiLeaks. So WikiLeaks, as you know, they're a site that let out information, and they had listening on certain cables that the US used to listen in on other countries. So WikiLeaks was like, yo, in the back door they're dealing and they're trying to offer the lady. So this is not the lady that came up and said this. This is a topped cable that has been leaked to the world or to the press. Let's go, let me show you something else about this Prime Minister, yo. Now, something really weird happened. Look at the screen where it says, Director of Public Prosecution Colin Williams took office in February. So he took over in February of that year. And I think that year was 2011. And what he did, he discontinued the case. And then the High Court judge, Miss Gertel Tom, later denied an application for a judicial review. So this young lady was stonewalled. Now, I'm gonna show you guys something, and I think it's very shocking in this case. Listen to this. If I was a woman in St. Vincent, I would be angry, because I am not a woman and I'm not in St. Vincent. I'm angry. Now look at the screen right there. The prosecutor, Mr. Williams, this is what he said about the victim when he's supposed to defend the victim, you know. This is what he said. We're gonna read from the top. Williams also said that he contacted somebody in the US Embassy in a private conversation, and the person elaborated that there was contradiction in the police officer statement, and that she alleged that she was raped after 21 days. In addition to that, Mr. Williams noted that the accuser, now this is the director of public prosecution, talking about the defense, the lady who is the victim, talking about the victim. You would think that he is on the defense team as a defense lawyer. Listen to this. Now all the ladies them out there in St. Vincent, countryman I talk to now. If wanna get violated by this dude right here, you understand? Wanna need to come forward for real, because I heard it's over 6 women this dude violated, and you see how St. Vincent stayed. There is really no justice, because this man is the head of national security, and the DDP, director of prosecutor, is underneath him, as well as the police commissioner and everybody else. So yo, women on the need for step forward for real. In addition, Mr. Williams noted that the accuser is known to have allegations against supervisors in 2 previous jobs with immigration, both in St. Vincent and Union Island, and which were both deemed lack of substance, the document said. Now, if I was a woman in St. Vincent, this would make the ear at the back of my neck stand up. Listen, women, don't have no rights in St. Vincent. It's time to stand up and demand on the rights. Y'all don't live in a cave land or in a cave. You understand? You're not cave women. You understand? You are modern women living in a modern time. And how can you as women see this and not raise the ball and raise the alarm? This is really disgusting to me. Let me read it again. Williams, who is the public defender of public prosecutor, he's the boss that's supposed to be defending the victim, said that the victim is known to make allegations against other supervisors when she was working immigration in both St. Vincent and Union Island, and all her alleged thing about these guys were deemed unsubstantial. And this is the prosecutor. We just show now St. Vincent stay, yo. Let's go. Now, it was also alleged that, like they said, it's 2 rape he's alleged of doing, and one was to a Canadian lawyer. And because of that, the Prime Minister of St. Vincent didn't go back to Canada. So he finally went back to Canada. He had the CARICOM meeting and he met the Prime Minister of Canada. But to be honest, it's not only 2 women accused this man. It's more like 6 women had accused him. And what's really crazy about this, none of them has case of an investigation. As you see, the district attorney, the director of public prosecution, as they say in the islands, has dropped the case, and the judge don't want to pick up the case. The prosecutor, even went as far as saying the woman is a bullshitter and she walks around and that's what she does, accuse men of raping her. And he said he spoke to somebody in the US Embassy and they said lady is a bullshitter. Now, how can you have justice in a country like this? And the women them in St. Vincent, boy, I'm sorry for all of y'all, because if you have a prime minister like this going around doing these kind of nasty, disgusting act to women, and all of you women sit your ass down there and don't say nothing about it, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Get up off your butts and start to protest about stuff like this in your country. Where is the women's rights? Huh? I am not a woman. I can't stand up for you like that, but I'm gonna try my best. You understand? There is no women out there speaking out. It's like them dumb. What to know? Huh? Women is the backbone of every country. If you never have woman, you couldn't have a man. Una the mother of the land. Get up off your all butts. You understand? Because this really pissed me off and it's disgusting. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. Ralphie too nasty.